Question number 11, Dr Paul Hutchison.
Thank you, Mr Speaker. To the Minister of Health, what investments in Budget 2013 is this government making to provide more health and development checks for children under 5?
Honourable Tony Ryle.
Budget 2013 has increased the government's investment in before-school checks by $7 million over the next 4 years, which means more New Zealand children can have the best possible start before they begin school. The government currently invests just over $9 million a year in before-school checks, and Budget 13 will increase this total to nearly $11 million a year. This funding will be used to increase coverage of the before-school check program from 80% to 90% of under 5s, which is a significant improvement from only a few years ago, when only around half of 4-year-old children had received a before-school check, despite a promise in 2005 to bring it in a few weeks' time.
Supplementary question, Dr Paul Hutchison.
To the Minister of Health, why are before-school checks important?
Honourable Tony Ryle.
Mr Speaker, the before-school check aims to identify and address any health, behavioural, social or developmental concerns, yes, developmental concerns, which could affect a child's ability to learn, and children are referred to an appropriate health, education or social service for further help and support if required. 191,500 4-year-olds have received a free health and development check since before school checks began in 2008, and 82% of eligible 4-year-olds have received a before school check since July last year. This additional funding announced by the government will particularly help with improving access to before school checks for those children living in our most deprived communities, or more deprived communities, here in New Zealand.
Point of order, Right Honourable Winston.
Mr Speaker, I seek leave for the qualified Dr Paul Hutchison to ask another question of the unqualified Minister.
Order. That is not a genuine point of order. Question number 12, Grant Robertson.
Thank you, Mr Speaker. My question is to the Minister of Justice. How many expressions